Good evening and welcome to NYNJPA Weather, your weather source for the Northern Mid-Atlantic. I'm meteorologist Stephen DiMartino. Well, the main story today was high pressure, which was in control the entire day with clear skies, light winds, and temperatures basically running near normal temperatures in the lower to mid 70s. However, that high pressure center is starting to move off the coast, and as a result, southwesterly winds are starting to develop, and those southwesterly winds are going to import a much warmer, more humid air mass into the northern mid-Atlantic. What does that mean? Well, by tomorrow you'll start feeling a difference with temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s, well above normal for this time of year, with humidity also starting to increase slowly. Now there's a cold front out to the west. Let's take a look at the water vapor because I want to show you how dynamic this cold front is. This evening, the cold front over the Great Lakes is producing strong to severe thunderstorms over Michigan. And the reason why is that we have a couple of strong disturbances that are moving from the Mississippi River Valley into the Great Lakes. Now, the best dynamics with this cold front will remain over central New York, the Mohawk River Valley, northern Hudson Valley, and New England. However, there's still a threat of a few isolated severe thunderstorms, and it only takes one severe thunderstorm to cause a problem, especially over parts of eastern Pennsylvania, southern Hudson Valley, and Connecticut. As you move closer to the coast tomorrow afternoon and evening, I think the threat for severe thunderstorms will not be as impressive because the best dynamics will not only be further north and west, but by the time the thunderstorms and this cold front reaches the northern mid-Atlantic coast, the majority of the dynamics will be focused away from the region, and the atmosphere will not be as unstable as what it will be earlier on in the afternoon. So I think the worst of it is going to remain to the north and west of the coast. Now for the rest of the week, high pressure will remain in control, still hot and humid, but as we move towards the weekend, a cold front will move through on Saturday evening with showers and thunderstorms. Now the important thing to keep an eye on is an area of low pressure that's going to develop around North Carolina. That area of low pressure is expected to intensify, and when it does, it could produce a significant rainstorm for the northern Mid-Atlantic. Now, by the time we move into Monday morning, our area of low pressure is starting to organize. Now, notice the pressure gradient along the coast. We have high pressure to the north over the Canadian Maritimes and low pressure over the southern Mid-Atlantic, and in between that, we have a tightening pressure gradient, and that pressure gradient is going to create a wind from the east. It's going to drive basically from the Atlantic Ocean into the northern mid-Atlantic. Now what that means is basically you can look for overcast skies on Sunday and Monday, periods of rain, and basically rather raw conditions. Temperatures are going to be stuck in the 60s on both Sunday and Monday as a result. It's not going to be pretty, and rainfall amounts could exceed an inch in many locations depending on how this low pressure system develops. By Tuesday morning, the low pressure center is moving into the St. Lawrence River Valley. We start to dry out with a westerly wind, but it's still relatively cool with temperatures rebounding into the lower 70s. So we get back to near normal. Now, I just want to mention that these maps were available via Penn State eWall, an excellent website for model data and satellite data and current observations. A great website for anyone who's interested in the latest model guidance. So let's go over this forecast once again. For tomorrow, we start to warm up. A cold front's going to approach in the evening. Watch out for a few isolated severe thunderstorms. By Thursday, Friday, and into Saturday, we're significantly into a warm-up with temperatures in the mid to upper 80s over many locations. You could see a few lower 90s, in fact, over the Philadelphia metropolitan area. So we're going to remain well above normal. Saturday evening, cold front moves through. Portion of it stalls over the southern mid-Atlantic. Area low pressure develops. That area low pressure stalls over the northern mid-Atlantic, producing periods of rain for Sunday and Monday, exiting on Tuesday. So basically we go from near normal, well above normal, well below normal for the end of this weekend. Thank you for using NYNJPA Weather as your weather source for the northern mid-Atlantic. I'm meteorologist Stephen DiMartino. Have an excellent evening.